guys, welcome back to my channel.
Today we are planning to go to the Mall of Emirates.
Dubai's most famous mall after Dubai Mall. It's located in Barsha, just 20 minutes from Burj Khalifa, and it opened in 2005. Here you can see 2.4 million square feet, over 630 stores plus 100 restaurants. There's a huge car park with 7,000 spaces, first 4 hours free on weekdays. Friday is busiest day, Saturday afternoon is family time. Weekends get crazy after 6 pm, so come before 4 pm or after 9 pm. There's an important thing to remember when you're shopping. Tourists get 5% VAT back at airport. Ask for tax-free form at any store when you spend over 250 AD. You can claim it at airport before flying home. This mall is famous for one thing, that is Sky Dubai, real snow in the desert. Sky Dubai covers 22,500 square meters, that's 3 football fields of snow. Ticket prices: Snow Park 215 AED and Slope Access 275 AED. There's a gold soak section inside the mall, and you can see 20 plus jewelry shops. If you feel that you are lost in the mall, you can use these maps. You will find these digital maps all over the mall. They are free to use. Look for the big touch screens near entrance, escalators and Metrolink. The map shows you exactly where you are. You are the blue dot on the screen. First, select your language. Arabic and English are always available. And then you can use the search bar at the top and type shop or restaurant name. After that, tap Get Directions and the map draws a route from where you stand. Many hotels are attached to the mall and it's super convenient for families. Here, baby rooms are on every floor and strollers free to borrow. Prayer rooms are located near level 2 and level 3, those are very clean. Free phone charging stations everywhere. Ask customer service if you can't find. And also free Wi-Fi throughout the mall. Here we can see over 630 stores, everything from luxury to budget. Level 1 luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton, Chanel, and Level 2 everyday fashion such as Zara, H&M. Now let's talk about food. Over 100 restaurants and cafes are here. Food court is on level 2 and budget meals from 2080. And also, for groceries and essentials, Carrefour Hypermarket on ground floor. It open till midnight. You can buy snacks, drinks, dates or household items if you want. Getting here is very easy. Metro Red Line stopped at Mall of Emirates and walk straight from the metro into the mall. It's fully air-conditioned bridge. So, if you are in Dubai and want shopping, food and entertainment, Mall of the Emirates is a full day plan. Save this video for your trip. Follow for more videos.